Hello everyone, this is my review of the TREATLIFE Smart Dimmer Switch. As you can see, it has a LED light built into it so you can see it in the dark. You can manually turn it on and off and adjust the dimmer switch. These two buttons on the top here, and you can see the LED light showing you at what level your dimmer switch is at.
Alexa, turn on master light. Alexa, turn off master light.
These switches are pretty easy to install. Anybody with any basic skills or professional can do it. This is my review of the TREATLIFE Smart Dimmer Switch. I hope it helps.